It's 2023 and you still cannot rock an eyeliner look, or you just started to wear eyeliner? I got your back with this step-by-step, easy but realistic tutorial. And if you wonder what I mean with realistic, then hang on until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get started. First look is the puppy eyeliner. For this look, you simply line your whole upper lash line starting from the inner corner and simply follow the natural shape of your eye. Keep the lines thin and close to your lashes. Slowly build the line, gradually making it thicker as you reach the outer corner of your eye. Use the tip of the liner to create a small downward flick at the outer corner of your eye. The length and angle of the flick should be slight and should follow the natural shape of your eye. Connect the flick to the rest of the line, creating a small downward curve. You can line the outer third of your lower lash line as well to complete the look. Next, we add some final touches. The puppy eyeliner can create a youthful, innocent look that is perfect for a fresh and natural daily makeup look. Puppy liners create a downward curve which does not interfere with the hood. Hence, it's an optimal eyeliner style for hooded eyes, but really any eye shape can wear it. Next on the list is a thin winged eyeliner. Here we again follow the natural shape of the upper lash line using a very precise liquid eyeliner with a very thin and precise tip. We first line the center and from there on we go to the inner corner, making sure our line is even thinner when approaching the inner corner. We stay close to the lash line and touch the lid gently with the eyeliner. Now we go back to the outer corner and make the outer corner slightly thicker just by adding one more stroke on top of the line. Then we notice we have messed up a little and grab a few cotton swabs to remove the eyeliner on the lashes and the lid. I could cut this part and move on to the next step, but I wanted you to see it's normal to make mistakes while applying eyeliner. The key is focus, patience, and practice, so remember not to give up too fast like any other aspects in life. Back to the application. Now we determine where we want the wing to be. For the flick, we just connected the first stroke of the wing with the upper lash line. To complete the triangle shape of the wing, we extended the outer edge of the eye and connected it to the first stroke. Then we filled in any existing gaps. As I have hooded eyes, with the hanging skin sitting on the outer corner of my eye, I tried to stay under the hood so that my eyeliner does not interfere with it. Because when it does interfere, my eyeliner wing will look crooked on my open eyes, which would look like this. A thin winged eyeliner can create a classic, sophisticated look that is perfect for everyday wear or a special occasion, specifically on hooded eyes. Before moving on to the bat wing eyeliner style, let me know what makeup or just any beauty topics you do struggle with in your daily life in the comment section. Talking about struggle, I did struggle a lot recording this video behind the scenes. I had to remove the makeup and redo the look so often, so I'd appreciate you hitting the subscribe and notification bell buttons to not only support me but to benefit from my knowledge and experience as a certified beautician. Thank you. Number 3 on the eyeliner styles list is the Batwing eyeliner. This eyeliner can be worn by any eye shape, but especially on hooded eyes, it is the solution for a non-crooked, bold winged eyeliner. The term Batwing stands for the flick that looks similar to a bat's wing in the end. First, we line the upper lash line. Slowly build the line, gradually making it thicker as you reach the outer corner of your eye. Now keep your eyes open, look relaxed, straight into the mirror and apply the dot which determines where you want your wing to be located. I want a cat eye effect eyeliner, so I apply the A dot at the highest point diagonally to the tail of my brows. Then I apply a B dot on the top of my basic line on the outer corner. Last but not least comes the C dot on the bottom of my basic line on the outer corner. Now we start to connect dot A with dot B, dragging a line up to the bottom of the basic line. Then we connect the C dot with the A dot and have our triangle ready. Finally, we arrive at the easiest step. Before we start to fill in the wing, we are now allowed to slightly close our eyes and look downwards. Do you notice this gap? Obviously yes, so next you must connect this gap with a basic line, drawing a straight line downwards. That's it. Back to the last step, fill in the completed wing with eyeliner evenly and voila, you're basically done. Next, we have eyeliner style number 4, which is the Smokey Winged Eyeliner. From here on, we just add new styles to our already applied winged eyeliner from previously. We apply a black eyeshadow shade on top of our winged eyeliner with an angled liner brush. Make sure it is applied evenly. Then take a classic fluffy blending brush and blend towards the nose bridge in sweeping motions. I think smoky eyeliners are a great hack to camouflage the excess skin on hooded eyes. That is why I love smoky winged eyeliners and could wear them anytime. Definitely give this one a try, you will fall in love how sultry it looks. Eyeliner style number 5 is the trendy Foxy Eyeliner. Here we want to achieve a more elongated cat eye-ish look, hence we frame our tear duct with eyeliner. The Foxy Eyeliner is thicker on the outer part of the eye and turns thinner when reaching the inner corner. We extend the upper lash line of the inner corner towards our nose bridge. Remember to work with extreme thin lines using a precise eyeliner brush. Then we frame the inner corner part of the lower lash line. Next, we go back to our wing and extend it a little, making it more sharp and a little longer. This is our popular Foxy Eye makeup. Remember to add a pair of trimmed false lashes on the outer corner of the eye to lift and elongate the eyes further. I just skipped wearing falsies for every eyeliner style because I wanted the focus to be the different eyeliner looks. Lastly, we have eyeliner style number 6, the colorful graphic eyeliner look. Here we get creative and work with the shade blue. You can go for any color you want. We line the inner crease fold up until the center first. We even out the lines by adding a few thin strokes. The next line is going to be on top of the wing. Just apply a quick stroke with a slightly wave shape on top of the flick. Please note that you can wear this look without the winged eyeliner as well. Or you can connect the blue lines together to create a big wave shape liner. Graphic liners are fun to wear if you want to make a statement, so go ahead and have fun. Remember to always experiment and find what works best for you. With practice, you will find the perfect technique for your hooded eyes or just any other eye shape and create a flattering and defined eyeliner look. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe to stay updated with my latest content. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.